love me a key and my saltfish when y'all left ya. Top ya man banana we not left ya. I'm a big flower dumpling we not left ya.
Ain't nothing like the sea cool breeze a jammed up. String up the sun while heap of vibes can't done. Reggae music beautiful and people just a have fun. Jerk on a place a work a fish a steam down.
Me proud of me island. Lord of God me say me proud of me island.
Welcome to Mackenzie Kitchen. All my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Mackenzie Kitchen. All who not subscribed yet, please may I ask you, subscribe to Mackenzie Kitchen. Alright, today we're gonna cook some pumpkin rice and some red snapper, steamed red snapper with some okra, real Jamaican style. So, welcome to Mackenzie Kitchen. Alright, we're gonna do it right from here so now. Alright, people, snapper cut up, clean up already. See it there? Lovely red snapper we are cooked today. So clean up nice and pretty. Now season it. Alright. Now people have some Maggi season we have to use and season up the snapper. Real way. So you season one side. Just like this. And then I turn them over. Wash me already myself. I'm gonna brush me. Turn them over. Turn them right over. And man, red snapper, season up. It's a Maggi season. Yeah. A little tips of salt. Yeah. And then the rest it right in a simple in a pan. And then alright, right now I'm going in the fridge, get some seasoning and come back. Wash everything in a one. Everything in a one. We are washing here. Camera now set good with people. Alright. So we have sweet pepper. We'll cut up the sweet pepper now. More sweet pepper. Turn off the fry. And then now we have onion. And now we have thyme right here. And then we'll cut up okra. So we now cut the okra in too small. Cut them in a two. Then too long we cut them in a three. So now we have garlic, so we'll cut up the garlic, so just Now we have Scotch bonnet pepper. Well, for me, my steamed fish have to have in pepper. Little bit spicy for me. The people will steam the fish in this spot. So we'll go ahead and place the fish in this spot. Now the seasoning in the pot, declare the water off the fish, will just pour it right in. Now we're gonna add in our thyme. Then we're gonna add in some okra. More okra. And more okra. Okay? And then we're gonna add in some sweet pepper. And we're gonna add in some onion. And then more onion. And then now we're gonna add in some garlic and hot pepper. So we're gonna rest the pot right here just for a bit. And now we're gonna add in a little piece of butter inside. Yeah. People, you wanna see what it looks like now? This is the look before it's go on the fire, okay? So, soon as I put it on the fire, then come right back to me, okay? Let me people, this is pumpkin, peel already, cut up, well dice up, you know. In the bottom of my fridge. So now I'm going to put it in a pot, add in some water, set on it, make it go and cook. And then I'll come back right to now, okay? Alright my people, see pumpkin here, just up on the fire. Then I go cover it and then I'll blend out some coconut juice. Real Jamaican coconut, and blend out, throwing it, you know, to steam the rice right and proper way. Yeah man. Alright my people, this is coconut cut up already, dice up and it in the fridge. So I'm putting in a blender right now, blend out the show now how go on. Alright my people, coconut in a blender now, get some water upon it. Actually cut up already, but I'm still washing out, huh? Watching a few pieces to drop out. Wash them off. Get some more water on him. Real Jamaican coconut. The native, huh? Real Jamaican native coconut. Alright. Yeah. I'm going to blend him now. You know, blend that to make it nice, huh? Don't come back to me, people. Yeah, my people. Coconut done blend out and now we're going to strain it. Huh? Yeah, man. Natural coconut juice. No powder business. See it? Natural coconut juice, man. Everything authentic Jamaican. Right, now strain off here now. Squeeze out it and come back, my people. Yes, my people, yes. So coconut juice now after I finish blending, strain off it. Yeah, so come with me now. We're going to look in a rice pot if you start boil up it. So we'll start boil up, you know, that I pumpkin. Pumpkin and water alone, this, my people. So we'll cook pumpkin rice with coconut juice. Well seasoned up and nice, you know. Come, I take a walk over to steam fish. Yeah, the steam fish, might go on good so far, you know. But yeah, we got a little bit of coconut juice in it. Alright, look. Adding a little bit of coconut juice. Yeah. We get him at the right place. See it? Soon come in, man. So I'm going to go and prepare up things them for rice. And then I'll show you how I go on from this. Alright, we're going to season up the rice butter now. So we have the coconut juice, the scallion, thyme, and we have scotch bonnet pepper, and we have butter, we have salt. Alright, we'll go over the pumpkin pot, over the rice pot now. Alright, see rice pot or the pumpkin, boil up. Alright, so we go for coconut juice. Yeah, pour in all the coconut juice. And now watch you make a black in there, half a coconut, natural coconut. There is nothing to worry about right there. So we have a scotch bonnet pepper now, right there. So now we have some scallion. So I normally cut up my scallion and freeze it so it serve me long. Yeah, so scallion, coconut juice, pepper. We'll go for the butter now. Right. Butter in it there. So now I go add in thyme and salt next. Yeah, I add in my thyme, salt, and cover it now, make it boil up, wash my rice and add in it. Right? Oh. Alright, we'll go over to the fish pot and I'm not sure now I go on in a steam fish. Steam fish are boiling, I can hear them bubble. See there now? Yeah, man. See my bubble down. Man. We Jamaican now we say my bubble down. Alright, you can go on bubble down. Yeah, this is the rice will cook. So wash it. Make sure you wash your rice before you cook it. Okay? So wash out, wash your rice right here. Alright, never must have some mixed veg. I'm going to put some mixed veg in the steam fish. Okay. Put some more color. Pretty much. Yeah. Colorful. Yeah man, see him there now? Pretty up and well nice. Alright people. So put in the rice now. Yeah. See that? So the rice pot boil up. So we're going to add in the rice now. So here's my people, the rice add in now. Give me one stir now. Give me a nice stir. So I'm pretty. Yeah. Real Jamaican cooking now. Pumpkin rice, well nice. Time this ready man, oh gosh. Yeah man, see finish I steam fish. Yeah. So I finish. Red snapper well steamed down. Alright. Rice pot. Soon ready to. Rice soon start steam. See I give you one bubble. No sense soon ready. Yeah, my people see rice butter. Something nice boil up, you know. The real way. And I just stir them up now still. And then I have to give him a little stir. Like so. So you don't want the rice to stick up in the pot bottom. I will not cook bun rice now. You don't want rice to stick up in the pot bottom. So. Give him a little stir. Give him a little stir like this. Now I put him on a lower flame. Turn on the fire a little bit. Alright, that's all. Then I cover him up back. And go and steam down. Alright, we're gonna look back on the rice now. Wow. Look at that. Some rice pretty. Alright. I'm gonna cover him up now. Can go and steam out. Alright, I cover him with a piece of foil paper. Put back in right full cover. Alright. Alright, my people, I look on the rice now. Yeah. Rice ready now, you know. I'm gonna plate out it right now. Plate out the rice now, man. Alright, this side plate. I'll put in the rice first. Alright, my people, this side rice. So I'm gonna add in the steam fish now. Alright, my people, this side finish our plate. Steam fish. Pumpkin rice. Look at it clearly. Yeah. Steam fish and pumpkin rice. So my people, if you want to see more of Mackenzie cooking, like, share and subscribe. I'm out.